নমস্কাৰ আপোনালোক সকলোলৈকে মোৰ এই চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছো This is lecture number 6 on Fourier series. Today I am going to solve one numerical problem, and according to this problem we have to find out the Fourier series of the function f of x equal to x when it is defined in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Here the lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is 2 pi. So without further delay, let's get started. Solution. Students, we know that when the function f of x is defined in the interval a comma b, then Fourier series expansion is given by f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n goes from 1 to infinity a n into cos twice n pi by b minus a into x plus summation n goes from 1 to infinity bn into sin twice n pi divided by b minus a into x. Here a naught, an and bn are known as the Fourier coefficients. So let us find out the first Fourier coefficient. Here a naught is equal to 2 by b minus a integration a to b f of x into dx. So according to our problem, the value of lower limit is 0 and the value of upper limit is 2 pi. So therefore b minus a is equal to 2 pi minus 0 is equal to 2 pi. Okay. So let us put these values. So 2 by twice pi integration lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2 pi, and according to this problem the value of the function f of x is x into dx. Now let us simplify this integral. So after simplifying we will get x square by 2 limit 0 to 2 pi. So therefore a naught is equal to 1 by pi into twice pi whole square divided by 2. Ultimately the value of a naught will be equal to 2 pi. Okay. Next let us find out the second Fourier coefficient, an. Again an is given by 2 by b minus a integration a to b f of x into cos twice n pi by b minus a into x into dx. So 2 divided by b minus a, 2 divided by b minus a, this one, 2 divided by 2 pi, integration 0 to 2 pi. F of x means x, cos twice n pi divided by b minus a into x will be equal to cos nx into dx. Next let us apply this formula, integration u into v equal to u into v1 minus u1 into v2 plus u2 into v3 minus dot dot dot. Okay. So this part can be written as 1 by pi into u means x into v1. v1 means integration cos nx dx. So integration cos nx dx is equal to sin nx by n minus u1. So differentiating x with respect to x we will get 1. Next v2, integration of this part. So after integrating we will get minus cos nx into n square. Next, let us put the limits 0 to 2 pi. Finally, we will get 1 by pi into plus cos twice n pi value is plus 1. So, 1 by n square minus cos 0 1. So, this value will be 1 by n square. 1 by n square minus 1 by n square will be equal to 0. Ultimately, the value of an will be equal to 0. Okay? Next, let us find out the third Fourier coefficient. Okay? So, and bn is equal to 2 divided by b minus a into integration a to b f of x into sin twice n pi divided by b minus a into x into dx. So, b minus a value is twice pi. So, we will get 2 divided by twice pi integration 0 to 2 pi fx means x sin twice n pi divided by b minus a into x will be equal to sin nx into dx. Again, let us apply integration uv dx formula. So, we will get 1 by pi u into v1 x into integration of this part. So, we will get minus cos nx by n. Next, minus u1 dx by dx. So, ultimately 1 into v2, that means integration of minus cos nx by n into dx. So, ultimately we will get minus sin nx by n square. Next, let us apply the limits 0 to 2 pi. So, after putting the limits, we will get 1 by pi into 2 pi into minus 1 by n. Okay? So, this value will be equal to minus 2 by n. Therefore, the Fourier series expansion of the function f of x equal to x in the interval 0 to 2 pi is given by f of x equal to x equal to a naught by 2. We get the value of a naught as twice pi. So, twice pi divided by 2 plus summation n goes from 1 to infinity a n. We get the value of a n as 0. 0 into cos twice n pi divided by b minus a, ultimately nx plus summation n goes from 1 to infinity bn. So, the value of bn is minus 2 by n into sin twice n pi divided by b minus a into x, that means nx. So, here we have seen that this part is cancelled out. So, ultimately we will get the Fourier series expansion of the function f of x equal to x as pi plus summation n goes from 1 to infinity minus 2 by n into sin nx. Next, expanding this summation term, we will get f of x equal to x equal to pi plus pi minus 2 into sin x plus half into sin twice x plus 1 by 3 into sin thrice x plus dot dot dot. So this is the Fourier series expansion of the function f of x equal to x in the interval 0 to 2 pi. ठीक है.